So let's convert 750 millimeters of mercury to ATM. That's atmospheres. So to do this, what we need is a conversion factor. So you've either memorized, or if you're allowed, you've looked up 1 atmosphere that's equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. So now we can convert our 750 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. So we multiply by a conversion factor. We want to end up with atmospheres, so we'll put that on top of our conversion factor. In 1 atmosphere, that equals 760 millimeters of mercury. That goes on the bottom, so these will cancel out. When we multiply millimeters of mercury on the top and bottom, that's gone. We're left with atmospheres. That's what we're looking for. Our 750 times 1 atmosphere, and we divide that by 760, we get 0.986 atmospheres. You might round that to 0.99 atmospheres. That's it. This is Dr. B, converting 750 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.